Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now first up, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded within the country of Jamaica, and the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a police officer from within the country of Jamaica who had been injured. Now, based on information that I got, it is said that the police officer had been mowed down by a motorcyclist who was riding a motorcycle during subscribers. It is said that the police officer had been taken to hospital or taken to get medical attention during subscribers. Now, based on more information that I got, it is said that a team of police officers was at a certain location within the country of Jamaica, and they were doing their duties when a motorcyclist who was riding a motorcycle was signaled to stop. Allegedly, it is said that the motorcyclist did not obey, and at some point, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that the police officer had been hit by a motorcycle that was being operated by a motorcyclist during subscribers. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine if the motorcyclist had been apprehended, even though I got unconfirmed information about that during subscribers. But the last information that I got about the situation is that the police went after the motorcyclist who was driving or riding the motorcycle, as well some person might say. So I say, no, my people, I'm going to present the video to you, and please bear in mind that this video shows a police officer who had been injured. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Who went in the road?
It bust up, you know?
Something on the ground.
Did you hear some of the words that at least two persons said in that video? Alright, so before we move on to another video of your subscribers, I just want to say this to each and every one. At no point you should ever stand in front or behind of a motor vehicle that is turned on, viewers and subscribers. No, that's dangerous. So may I say, it doesn't matter who you are, whether you're a law enforcer or not. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a police officer standing somewhat close to a motor vehicle, and the police officer was exchanging words with a person who you can see sitting inside a motor vehicle. That person is considered to be the driver of your subscribers. Now, for some reason, this video has been talked about on social media. I also hear the word ticket in the video. So I'm going to look at this video and tell me what to think about the situation as well. Alright, and observe.
No ticket, no ticket. No ticket, my friend. No ticket, my friend. Bad or bad?
Bad or bad? Macam mana? Akan dekat dah.
But yo, you know when something for brother. He jump the right, that's all mega pass. If he jump the right, that's all mega pass. Hey, I don't know if go. Miss Ada, the conduct. I want tuna, brother. Brother, I want tuna. Yo, come on, brother. Nah, move shut up with a fear vehicle. Aye, that's enough. Go to step in the jet into you, man, dog.
Now, I know that some persons might disagree with some words that I'm about to say, but I only wish the best for each and every one. So when it comes on to the law, or when it comes on to police, it's best to comply. And if you have a complaint, you make the complaint after to the necessary authorities. So I say, I just said the thing set. So I say, I'm wishing nothing but the best for each and every one. When you hear me say these words, I just want the best, alright? Alright, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been held by police, and the person had been placed inside of a police service motor vehicle viewing subscribers. Now, I got the understanding that the person had been accused of doing something viewing subscribers. So I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some words that have been said in the video. Please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in the video are accurate. I'm just presenting the video to your viewing subscribers. You can take a look at the video and tell me what you think, and please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Turn on the face. So this young man was caught breaking into that Toyota town yesterday by the unmarked police unit. Didn't know that it was a police unit. I will catch him red-handed breaking into the vehicle, and ironically that vehicle is owned by a policeman who was shopping. Left his vehicle and that man broke into it. We caught him red-handed, so he's going to jail. 2-foot puss.
2-foot puss. I think I understand where the person implied to. You see me I say, people, I think so. You see me I say, Jamaicans, you know. Yeah, some Jamaicans invent words in my point of view. Alright, so here I'm going to present another video to you. This video is going to show a person holding certain things and doing certain things. I mean, I think it will be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. I want you to look at this video and tell me what I think, my people. Observe.
What that I use him and look where I use my perfect cane. One old cloth. See there? Piece of old rag. So where I get the rag from now is sweaty so. That's why I no buy cane from if I no see it appeal. I don't want it. See there? I'm using dirty and I'm putting and them more than dirty. Go there, look. See cloth them I use.
My people, I wish nothing but the best for each and everyone, but hygiene come first. You see me I say, you know, say, me there at a certain area within the country of Jamaica and see quite a number of persons that sell bag juice, but one of those persons who was holding a bag full of bag juice, as all Jamaicans call it, drink or the juice, you see me I say, and the person go stand up beside a wall and urinate or relieve himself, you know. There was no pipe, the person no washing hands, no nothing. And then the person come inside of a bus when me did there and put in hand in the bag of bag juice to go sell somebody where order bag juice from the person. I mean, come on, think about it. You know, whatever there, rinse off, it's just set away. So I say, so all them things there. I think we talked about this before. So yeah, the person we can hear talking in the video, you know, have a right to the opinions that the person have. You understand? That's so you go. You can tell me what you think. Now here I am going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show what some people might call some type of white powder thing on the ground. In the video, can you hear when at least one person said the word flour. Some people, different places in the world might say flour or certain ways of saying it. Depends on the accent that I use or which country you're from. So me I say, no, I got the understanding that this video is being talked about a certain place on social media where I saw the video, because the video shows I think about 2 persons taking up the white powder thing during subscribers. So when I like you look and listen to this video and tell me what I think about the situation. Alright? Oh yeah, and please bear in mind, safety come first, hygiene come first. You see me I say? I'm going to say some more words after I present this video to you. Observe.
No. Yeah man. Alright, for them no. Never before, man.
Look where I'm going, Rasta.
No, man. Rain, I can wash you, so take you up.
Alright, me now quick for judge. I don't know what those persons intend to do with that thing. Yes, I say, I don't know, but I point out certain things. Yes, I say, when it comes on to the word where you're the person, or I think about at least one person mentioned in the video, flour, that is something you have to be careful. So I say, if something then at the flour and you need it and use it, when you eat, that can be a danger to you. You understand me I say? And when I say something like, you have to think about needles, pin, small, what you call it, stones, broken splinters like bottles or glass and them all different type of things you have to think about it. So me I say, so me nah disrespect nobody, me nah judge nobody. You see me I say to you, even though me never do something like that before, I mean I think would advise anyone to do something like that because me see certain dangers in that in viewers and subscribers, but at the same time the people, me no really want to make nobody feel like say me I look down upon them or say certain things bad upon them or them ways there. So me I say, but me see danger in that. You understand? So I must point out the dangers then because yeah, so me I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.